What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You already know it's me, Jerry. You're watching Where's Garage, and today it's not gonna be on my car. It's on this car, 2013 Mazda Speed 3. I'm about to do a crank sensor, water pump, and thermostat. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that, and let's get to the video. So this is the car right here, 2013 Mazda Speed. There's some of its mods right here. Has exhaust, has the 6-port intercooler. See, has a 3.5 intake and the CST4 turbo. You guys can see back there. I have a buddy right here, but he don't want to be on a video. But how much you think your car is doing right now?
370.
Let's see, you hear that, guys? 370 with all these stuff right here. You say you have a the fuel pump, right? What fuel pump? From Dustworks. What was it?
DW something. DW 300, I think.
Okay.
160, 150, 160.
It has the Damien mounts too. Mishimoto radiator hose right here. So if you guys don't know, so for some of you new people, thermostat is right here and water pump right here. So you know you gotta take the belt off and do the water pump. And this is crank sensor right here. It's right here. That's what we're gonna do first because we're letting the car cool down. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna show you guys what to do. 2013 Mazda Speed. Nice car. And here's my guys. I didn't post for in a while, but you know, still have the Mazda Speed. I've been working on the G35 that you guys know on my channel. So let's get to the video and start knocking these parts out. So these are the parts right here. This is the crank sensor. This is how it feels. This is the thermostat, and this is the water pump. All three things is straight from Mazda dealership. You guys know I work at a dealership, so I get discount with Mazda. So I got OEM parts, so that's what I'm about to use. So I'm gonna show you guys what to do. It's easy to do the crank. I'm gonna do this one first while we're waiting for the coolant to cool down. Then we started on the water pump and thermostat. But so far, let's do the crank first, and I'll show you guys what to do. So it's 2 8 millimeters right here. It's right here and up there. I don't know if you can see. Oh, right there. Sorry, the sensor off right here already. So you just unplug it and put a new one. So I'm gonna do that right now and come back to you guys. So this is the new sensor right here. I'm about to plug it in and put the 2 8s back in, and that's it from there. So if you guys don't know, to take it off, you just gotta take this 10 mil right here off. It's like a little clip right here. You just pull back, and then there it is right there. So all you got to do, of course, you got to jack your car up, take the wheel off, of course, and that's all you got to do. And your job is done for that. So I'll put the new sensor on and show you guys when it's done. And there you go, guys. There's the new sensor in. Everything in, you see, back to where it is, the new crank sensor, and that's it. And you just pull this back, put the 10 on, then you put the wheel back on, and you're done. So I'm gonna put everything back together, put the wheel back on, and lower it down, then get started on the water pump and thermostat. All right, so back. So I'm doing a water pump. So what you want to do is you want to loosen before you take the belt off. You want to loosen the 3 10s, because if you take the belt off and try to loosen it, it just spins. So loosen them. I've already did it already. And your tensioner is down here, right there. So now you want to just take the tension off, take the belt off. Then once that, you loosen the 3 10s, the pulley will come out. Then you can pull the water pump out. I drained the coolant too, so make sure you guys do that too. I mean, you don't have to, but I mean, it's no point doing that because all that is going to just spray on the side. It'll be all on the floor, so that's why you want to just drain it out from the radiator. Then it'll be a clean little thing. So I'll take this off, take the belt off, and then I'll get back to you guys when I have the pulley off. So I have the new one right here. The old one's right there. have it out. You can see right there. Just 2 or 3 10s or 3 8s. Take them out. You can pull them out from the top, and that's it. So you have the belt off. You gotta take the belt off because, like I said, it's on the pulley. So I'm about to put the new one in and tighten everything back up, and that's it from there. Then I'm going to do the thermostat. So get back to you guys when I get to the thermostat. There you go. The new water pump is on. It's pretty simple, guys. You just take the belt off. We'll loosen the pulley first before you take the belt off. Once you loosen the pulley, take the belt off. Tensioner is down there. Take the belt off, then it's only these 3 8s, and you just reverse, put everything on. But I'm not gonna put the belt back on yet because I'm gonna do the thermostat now. So I'm gonna take the hose off that and take the thermostat off. And the thermostat is pretty easy too. The only sucky part is maybe trying to get this right here, because whoever had the car before me, my car, it was like other way, so it was kind of a bitch. But I can maybe grab it right there. So I have a new thermostat pump right there. And look, I'll show you guys my car right quick, because I know some of you guys have been asking on my Instagram what happened. Sorry, well, you guys know my coworker hit me. Here's the car, and it's dirty from the rain from last time. I didn't get it clean, but there it is. Mazda's still kicking, still good. It's still good. I just need to give it a wash. The reason why too I haven't taken it to wash, because when they fixed my door, I thinking they didn't put the trim on it all the way, so when I drive it blew off. So the reason why I haven't been washing it, because if you wash it, all the water will go down here. You can see there's wires and everything down there. So I want to order. I'm gonna order the part, and I'm gonna wash it. But yeah, the Mazda, guys, it's still good. There's the Infinity that a lot of people have been asking about it too. Just show you a quick video. It's pretty much done. I have Z1 Motorsport belts, Z1 hoses, same right here, new thermostat. I have the Grady oil pan on, everything on, new filter. Just waiting for a hose. Yeah, that's that one. You guys been asking for this car. Hopefully, maybe next weekend get it started. But here's a Mazda right here. Nothing's wrong with it. Still have it, just I haven't posted videos on it. There you go. So, have the old thermostat out right here. Here's the seal came off from the thing. So here's the new one, new seal, everything's in. There you go, have it off. So it's pretty simple. It's just the only thing you will struggle with or getting that hose off, because sometimes that little spring clamp, it's aimed at it like it's in a stupid way. So that's how you just do it. It's only 3 8s. Take those off, pull it off, then put the new one and put it back on. Then once you do that, you put the hose back on, the belt or the pulley, the belt, and you're done. So I'm gonna put the new one on, and I'll get back to you guys when I have the pulley and everything back on. So there you go, guys. Water pump is on, the new thermostat is on, new water pump is on, the crank sensor. I'm just letting the car run so we can fill up with new coolant. Nice. Next on my car, I just haven't really, it's been in the wreck, and you guys know I've been dealing with that. Here's the engine bay, it's dirty, but I'll make a video of my new parts list, my new mods that I have on my car. Some of you know it's like that, but I got new people that's tuned in. I'll show you what mods I have on my Mazda and stuff like that. I'll make a video on that, hopefully maybe next week, of this car starting next week. So hopefully it starts pretty good. Everything should be good on that. But till again, thanks for watching it, guys. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. Again, my name is Jerry. For new people, you're watching Where's Garage. I see you in the next one.